Yeah, welcome once again to our channel. In this channel, we'll be teaching you structural designs from scratch, from a beginner to professional level. And at this time, we're going to start with the general arrangement. So we advise you to stay with us. Open your eyes and watch as we continue. The drawing you are seeing is the drawing we'll be making use of in this our design class. We start by looking at the drawing, understanding the concept of the drawing. After that, you have to remove all the dimensions of the drawing. You open the drawing, you check the alignment of the ground floor with the first floor. You post and position everything. Make sure that the alignments are together. Know where that is matching and where that is not matching. You understand? So when that is done, then the next thing you need to do, what you will be doing is to match it. Copy it, align it. Align the drawing, superimpose the ground floor on the first floor. Then use your cursor to check the alignments, vertical and the horizontal. You know the ones that are on the same alignment. Why are you doing this? You will be doing this because you want everything to align so that your transfer of load will be correct, so that you will not just put a column on the ground floor and before you know on the upper floor you see it inside the room. So you need to position everything according to the alignment and settings of the building. So you have to delete the dimensions so that you can see the drawing properly. Delete all the dimensions in the drawing and allow only the settings, that is the block walls. Major, what we design is major elements. You don't just design everything. In some drawings, you may decide to remove toilets. Toilets are not too much relevant in our design. You understand? So depending on the type of settings you have. So after deleting all the dimensions and fittings and features that the drawing has from the architect, delete all the whole features, all those things that make it look real. All those, delete it, because this is structural design we are doing. We have no business with aesthetics. Our business is for stability and durability. So you remove all the dimensions. Remove all the dimensions. Remove all the dimensions, okay? So you do that both on the ground floor and on the first floor. Do that. Make sure you study the drawing very well. Don't delete the cantilevers if there is any. Observe the major parts and major walls in the drawing. So make sure you delete very properly. General arrangement is the beginning of design. You miss general arrangement, you miss it all. Definitely you have problem in the structure if you fail from general arrangement. This is where this design starts. Knowing how to transfer your load is the beginning of design. So your alignments, vertical and horizontal, will play a major role in this design we will be going through at this time. So you stay with me and try as much as possible to concentrate. Watch the video once again if you don't understand, and ensure that you follow suit and stick to this channel, because you are going to be learning complete design package. And don't forget, you subscribe and hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel so that once we drop another video, you will be notified, because it's full series. We are giving you full design series. You don't need to miss any of the video. It's a full package. We have decided to touch lives through this channel. So all the difficulties in design have been made easy. You understand? It has been made easy. I'm telling you, you will thank me later after watching and following all the steps in this channel, because it is detailed, because is from the basics, from the first principle of design. They have decided to give you the best, and therefore do well to stick to the channel. You don't need to worry yourself anymore. The channel is at your doorstep. You remember, you are still removing all the dimensions that the design came with. This is actually what the architect is going to give you. The architect will copy this like this. He'll copy the architectural drawings up and ground floor and all the upper floors and send to you like this in AutoCAD format. It will be in AutoCAD format. It may be in a ArchiCAD, whatever CAD format that is convertible. You know, so as we are talking about Orion, so the format is going to be on DWG. Okay, that is the AutoCAD format we are using. So after deleting all the dimensions, you have to superimpose the ground floor, the first floor on the ground floor. As you can see, make sure where you pick it from is where you're pasting it. You can say I pick it from an angle and I'm pasting it according to the angle I picked it. Very, very important. That is what will make you to know if your walls are aligned or not. So I pick it from that angle and I go to this angle also and I paste it at that particular angle. Please, you have to note this. Very, very important. Then you now use your cursor and begin to trace. Trace the vertical lines. After tracing the vertical lines, you now trace the horizontal. You can see I have this drawing on the vertical and I have it on the horizontal. That is the upper floor. I make sure I have it on the vertical. You see the way I'm pasting it. I paste it according to the alignment so that if there is any projection, I can see. I can observe it and I cannot take note of it. You can see it. Take your cursor to check up and check down vertical edges to make sure that they align. So after doing that, you trace the inner walls, vertical and horizontal. Trace the inner walls, vertical and horizontal. You understand? So when you trace vertical and horizontal, you will now understand why it is necessary for you to trace the verticality and horizontal of the walls to ensure that you are on good alignment for proper transfer of load to the foundation. Okay? All right. At this juncture, you will also follow us for the part 2 of this video. Part 2 of this video will be dropping. In this part 2, you will see how to impute the columns, the beams where necessary, where there was no beam and you felt that there should be beam here, how to go about it and how to, fully finish the general arrangement. Thank you for watching.